Eight deported immigrants from the US arrive in Ahmedabad. US continues crackdown, deports 116 undocumented Indian immigrants. Third phase of deporting to bring 157 more Indians from US. A flight carrying 8 Gujarat-based immigrants who had entered the United States illegally arrived at Ahmedabad airport on Sunday morning around 11:30 am after completing the necessary formalities at the airport. All individuals were escorted to their homes under police security in a vehicle with black curtains. Among those deported, 6 are reported to be from Mehsana district while 2 are from Gandhinagar. The US authorities have been continuing their process of deporting Indian nationals who entered the country illegally. In the second phase of this operation, 116 undocumented cut in the second phase of this operation, 116 undocumented Indian immigrants were deported. As part of this, on the night of February 15 at 11:40 pm, an American Air Force flight landed in Amritsar, carrying a total of 116 deported Indian immigrants, including 8 from Gujarat. From there, the Gujarati nationals were brought to Delhi, and on Sunday morning they reached Ahmedabad airport from Delhi. The deported individuals from Gujarat include Dhaval Luhar and Rudra Luhar from Kalol, Gandhinagar, as well as Mihir Thakur, Dheeraj Kumar Patel, Kenish Chaudhary, Arohi Goswami, Deepak Puri Goswami and Pooja Goswami from Mehsana district. Ahmedabad Collector Sujit Kumar stated that all deported immigrants were sent to their respective homes in police vehicles. The district administration has not received any official communication regarding this matter, as such cases fall under the jurisdiction of the police administration. In the first phase, the US had deported 104 Indian nationals who arrived in Amritsar via an American Air Force flight on February 5. Out of this, 33 individuals from Gujarat were brought to Ahmedabad on February 6, 2025. With the arrival of the second phase of deported immigrants, the third phase is expected to follow soon. Another flight from the US is scheduled to arrive at Amritsar airport on the night of February 16, carrying 157 deported Indian nationals.